On some occasions, it is necessary to adjust the pins on the inside of the power jack on the back of a Digimet 3. Prior to doing so, the fuses should be removed by inserting a screwdriver, pushing gently, and turning. After the fuses have been removed, these pins can be spread apart if they need to be to tighten up the grip of the jack on the power plug. After making the adjustment, fuses are reinserted. Push down slightly and turn clockwise. And now the adjustment is complete. Again, I must emphasize fuses should be removed prior to adjusting the pins inside the power jack on the back of the Digimet 3.